everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni and welcome to my channel Super School. So today I have brought another new topic, but it's related to my previous video. So if you haven't seen my previous video, then you must go and watch it. But this is related to the previous video because today I'm going to discuss tense, and I am going to discuss past perfect continuous tense and past perfect tense. Yes, in my last video I discussed present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. But today I'm going to discuss past. So it's important for you to see the previous video to understand the tenses clearly, and also check out my other videos that I have uploaded before about simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. So I am covering all the tenses individually so that you can understand it elaborately. But trust me, if you are struggling with English, then you need an extensive English language course where you'll be able to not only learn but practice in various different ways. And for that reason, I have designed an amazing course for you, which is a complete English language learning course where all the parts of English language learning is combined in one. So it's an all-in-one course. So please come and join my course and follow my Facebook page and contact through that page, and you'll be able to join my course in no time. It's just 4,000 taka for 2 months, guys. So that means per month it's just 2,000, and you're getting 3 classes per week for 2 hours. We are taking classes on Google Meet. So I will be able to share my screen with you. I'll be able to use various different instruments and tools which are available in the virtual classroom setting, which is not at all available in the physical setting. Yes. So anyways, let's move on to the discussion. We form the past perfect continuous with had been or plus the infinitive verb plus ing. So what do I mean by that? I mean that past perfect continuous tense is basically something that happened in the past and it's continuing in the past, because whatever I'm mentioning is all about past. So there is no existence in the present. So if you just look at the screen, you'll be able to see a graph that I have created for your visual understanding, not only listening but visual as well. So visualizing is important, and that's why I thought maybe to understand the tense, this graph is going to help you. So past perfect continuous, it's in the past, it occurred in the past, it's continuing but it stopped in the past. So there is no effect in the present. So that's why the setting has this had been. So even if it's she, he, they, I, you, it will be had. So you had been, I had been, she had been, he had been. And also because it's a continuous, so past perfect continuous, so your main verb will be in ing form, which is also known as infinitive verb. So she had been shopping, they had been fishing. So in reality, it is the past equivalent of the present perfect continuous. So it's just that you're changing the helping verb had. So you're changing have to had. So present would be like he is tired, he has been working hard. And what would be the past? He was tired, he had been working hard. So it's that simple, right? Now, please like and subscribe my channel, and in my next video I'm going to discuss past perfect tense. So don't forget to watch my next video and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.